Activity A in disguise. First, put your safety goggles on. Then you have to rip off a piece of steel wool and put it in the bag. Then you have to measure 10 milliliters of copper sulfate, but we're using water, into the beaker. Make it 10 milliliters. And then you pour it into the bag with the steel wool and mix it around, but first close the bag. And then you squeeze the steel wool for several seconds, then observe what you see and write down your notes.
Before you start, for all you girls and boys with long hair, don't forget to tie your hair up. So you're gonna measure 20 milliliters of copper sulfate, but in this case we're gonna use water.
10 grams. What am I saying? One second, I need 10 grams. I'll sort it out.
Next, you're gonna measure 10 centimeters of magnesium ribbon.
What is it? What is this? Is it CC or 100 cc? What's that?
Then you're gonna coil the ribbon and put it into the copper sulfate and carefully observe what the reaction is.
Now we're going to do activity C. First, put on your goggles. Next, pour 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the graduated cylinder, but we're using water. Next, you're going to measure 1 gram of yeast, but we're using baking soda.
It's at 2.4 and I need 10 grams. No. Put it at 10. Oh, it needs to be at 2. So I wrote it. Yeah. No, because the cup's
Okay. Now, you are going to pour the hydrogen peroxide, which is our water, and the yeast into this, the flask.
Oh yeah, right on the floor.
And now you're going to put the balloon over the flask and swirl it and observe your observation.
We're doing activity D. First, we have to get 20 milliliters of ammonia, but we're using water.
Let's go with Charlie.
Jonathan, don't forget to put your goggles on.
Charles, you're up. We're in the big leagues now. Okay, now,
Then you have to fill the dropper with copper sulfate
now we're going to examine the data.
and drop them in one by one.
Now we're going to dispose. Dispose of the reaction.
And then you have to do that again. And then observe what you see.
Make sure you pour this down.